Get your ass in here and sit down. Now y'all see this above me? Looks like a normal rainstorm, right? Only that it's not. Roll the footage. Okay, we see it. Now, it could be CGI. I know that. But that doesn't take away the fact that we have been having many, many sightings around the globe lately. Could it have been from that eclipse? I don't know. I'll leave that answer up to you, since I get in trouble every time I try to say something on this app. And get y'all ass up out of here.